Hi and welcome to the Blackboard Plus Quick Guides. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Content Layout tool. Now the Content Layout tool was developed here at USC and its aim is to help you with styling content and also to help you structure your learning materials without necessarily having to know HTML. So to demonstrate, I'm going to create a new item, and in it I'll have some learning outcomes, a couple of activities and an information box to alert students to some key concepts. So let's get started. If I build content as normal and build an item, I'm going to call it week 1. And notice that underneath this normal content editor, we've now got a button called the Content Layout tool. If I click on that button, I'll get a prompt. So this is actually the Content Layout tool here. I'll get a prompt telling me that my layout is blank. That's because it was a new item we created, and that to get started I need to launch the Layout toolbar. Now the Layout toolbar is accessible from this plus sign here. You'll notice already that the way that the Content Layout tool is presented to you to use is not the same as Blackboard. It's slightly more contemporary, but there's 3 words that will assist you greatly when you're using it. They are hold, select and release. So at the moment I am holding down the plus sign. If I want to select an item from the menu, I can do so. I want learning outcomes, and if I then release my mouse, that item will drop onto the content layout. Again, I can bring up the toolbar by hovering around the center here, clicking on the plus sign, holding it down, hold, select and release. I want to add more, so hold, select and release. And then my final item is an information panel which sits underneath the content layout menu. So hold, select, release and drop that one in. Now notice I've got 2 activities and I wanted a key concept. So I'm going to change these items so that they are variants of activities and information panels. So to start with, I use again hold, select and release, but hold it down on the item, select read and release, hold it down on the item, select discuss, release, again hold it down on the item. I want a key information box, so I'll change that to key, release. And the other thing I wanted to do was just change the order of these items. I want to bring this key concept up to the top so that it's more dominant. So if I use the arrow keys over on the right hand side, I can move the items and change their order. Likewise, if I wanted to get rid of something, I could delete using the cross there. Okay, I'm happy with that. I have my learning outcomes, my key concept, my readings and my discussion activities. So I'm going to say OK and drop those items into the editor. And from here it's a matter of changing the default text that appears on these items with your own text. And if you want assistance on how best to edit content within the content editor, there's another video in the Quick Guide series which can assist with that. There also is quite a lot of Blackboard generic help videos as well. So if you have any questions or would like some more information, go to the Blackboard Plus page on My USC and you'll find some additional resources and links there.